Hey, how are you doing there? This is Craig. I want to show you how to do your focus notes for this class. And before you freak out, they're not really notes. They're more of a an assignment and I'll just show you. So these are the notes. They're going to appear right before your discussion question, and that's key because they're attached to each other. So this is for my economics class, but the notes are exactly the same in all seven of my classes. So whether you have economics, government, geography, or psychology, they're the same. There is one little tweak in psychology, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But first, let's look at the notes themselves. So you're going to get the lesson, and this is going to look a little different for you. Um, because it's on I'm on my side of the screen, but the notes all look the same. So hopefully you're seeing this screen right here um, that I opened up, and it shows your economics lesson one focus notes. So I just clicked on one of the pages there. I don't know if you saw that or not, but I went in and clicked on this and downloaded it. This is the doc version. There's also a PDF, and then there's also a link to the Google Doc here. But you can see them in either or any of these ways. Um, but you have to click on one of these and get to them. So again, where did they go? Da, 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 da. Um, well, I'll just click it again, and then you can see it and pull it up. So here we are. So at the top, you're going to watch in this one, you're going to watch a video that's in workbook 1.1, and you're going to answer these three questions about personal finance. Answer this question, and then you're going to highlight any words here that any of the answers in green, any of the words that are unfamiliar. And then which question do you think is most applicable to you personally? And meaning, which one of these three personal finance questions mentioned in the video is most applicable to you. Highlight it in blue, then go down here. And now that you have a little more understanding of economics in your notes, write a 3 to 5 sentence summary defining what economics is. And you can write in here, and how does economics connect to your world? Okay, good. That's that part. All right. So you're going to fill that out. I'll show you on a different one here in a second. And then we're going to go back to your part in your class here, and let me show you. If you'll remember, there was two parts to parts 4 and 5. Well, parts 4 and 5 are the same here. So you can use that response. You copy and paste that response right into here to answer these two questions. Boom, you're done. So you get two of them done. Remember, your focus notes are worth 20% of your grade, and discussion questions are usually worth about 15%. So those two things would prevent you from getting a grade higher than a C if you choose not to do them. So how about them apples, huh? I was going to show you a couple of things. In psychology, actually, let's go back before I go to psychology. Let's go back, and I'll show you what some of the other focus notes look like. Let's go down. There's one in every unit in this class, or almost every unit in this class. I think most of them have almost every unit. This is for lesson 6, opportunity cost. Okay. And then if you look at these here, let's see if this will show. It'll show this right here. And then there's going to be a video here that you're going to click on here. Okay. And watch that video to answer these questions. Go back to, I do want to show you psychology because they are a little bit different. The only thing different on the psychology ones is the very bottom, because it's just because of the way the class is set up and the way the units and the discussions have a little bit different. They're more of a research based generally, so you'll see that they this one you'll have 5 psychology experiments. Boom, watch that. And then this is a crash course one, so it's kind of cool. It's pretty quick. Answer these questions, blah, 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 blah. Come down here, go through the processing again, do the reflecting part. And then there's just on the summary, um, step 4 and step 5. So the summary is just a summary of some experiments, and then step 5, the application, is taking that information and then do this. It says, what did you research? Well, that refers to, um, there's a question. Oh, right here. Second, choose from one of these options to conduct a very short research assignment. So you're going to choose one of these 4 options here. And that is where you put it. That is your answers here. So from the last part of the second part of the notes section here, you're going to put that in here. And then you're going to combine those and copy this page. And now this is the only part here that gets copied to the discussion. Let me show you that real quick. So this is kind of like focus notes and discussion questions. Why am I doing that? Where it appears. These just pop in a row. It always looks different on my end, I know, and it's probably confusing. I should use a fake student part. But see on the discussion question here, this is just doing your research, and then you're going to paste your answer that you got from that part 5, the responses to this, and you're gonna answer it here where it asks you to do so. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.